Oxcam English represents simple sentences with level of 1. Listen 48 sentences carefully and do as directed by the class teacher. 1. An indefinite article, meaning used before a noun to indicate one thing. Example, I saw a cat. 2. About, preposition, adverb, meaning concerning or regarding something. Example, we talked about the weather. 3. Above, preposition, adverb, meaning higher than something else. Example, the plane flew above the clouds. 4. Across, preposition, adverb, meaning from one side to the other. Example, they walked across the street. 5. Action, noun, meaning the process of doing something. Example, his actions spoke louder than words. 6. Activity, noun, meaning something that is done for enjoyment or a specific purpose. Example, reading is a relaxing. 7. Activity, actor, noun, meaning a person who performs in plays, movies, or television shows. Example, he is a famous actor. 8. Actress, noun, meaning a female person who performs in plays, movies, or television shows. Example, she is a talented actress. 9. Add, verb, meaning to put something with something else to increase the number or amount. Example, add the milk to the flour. 10. Address, noun, meaning the particulars of the place where someone lives or an organization is situated. Example, what is your home address? 11. Adult, noun, meaning a person who is fully grown or developed. Example, adults are responsible for their actions. 12. Advice, noun, meaning guidance or recommendations offered with regard to future action. Example, my father gave me some good advice. 13. Afraid, adjective, meaning feeling fear or anxiety, frightened. Example, I am afraid of spiders. 14. After, preposition, meaning following in time or place. Example, we went for a walk after dinner. 15. Afternoon, noun, meaning the period of time from noon or lunchtime until evening. Example, I will see you in the afternoon. 16. Again, adverb, meaning another time, once more. Example, could you say that again? 17. Age, noun, meaning the length of time that a person has lived or a thing has existed. Example, what is your age? 18. Ago, adverb, meaning before the present, in the past. Example, I saw him a few days ago. 19. Agree, verb, meaning, have the same opinion about something, conquer. Example, I agree with your idea. 20. Air, noun, meaning, the invisible gaseous substance surrounding the earth, a mixture mainly of oxygen and nitrogen. Example, we need clean air to breathe. 21. Airport, noun, meaning, a complex of runways and buildings for the takeoff, landing, and maintenance of civil aircraft, with facilities for passengers. Example, we are going to the airport. 22. All, determiner, pronoun, meaning, used to refer to the whole quantity or extent of something. Example, all of the students passed the test. 23. Also, adverb, meaning, in addition to. Example, I like apples, and I also like bananas. 24. Always, adverb, meaning, at all times, on all occasion. Example, he always arrives on time. 25. Amazing, adjective, meaning, causing great surprise or wonder, astonishing. Example, the view was amazing. 26. And, conjunction, meaning, used to connect words of the same part of speech, clauses, or sentences that are to be taken jointly. Example, I like cats and dogs. 27. Angry, adjective, meaning, feeling or showing strong annoyance, displeasure, or hostility. Example, he was angry about the mistake. 28. Animal, noun, meaning, a living organism that feeds on organic matter, typically having specialized sense organs and nervous system and able to respond rapidly to stimuli. Example, a dog is a domestic animal. 29. Another, determiner pronoun, meaning, used to refer to an additional person or thing of the same type. Example, would you like another cup of tea? 30. Answer, noun, verb, meaning, a thing said, written, or done to deal with or as a reaction to a question, statement, or situation. Example, I need an answer to my question. 31. Any, determiner, pronoun, meaning, used to refer to one or some of a thing or number of things, no matter how much or how many. Example, do you have any questions? 32. Anyone, pronoun, meaning, any person. Example, is anyone there? 33. Anything, pronoun, anything. Example, did you buy anything? 34. Apartment, noun, meaning, a suite of rooms forming one residence, typically in a building containing a number of these. Example, I live in a small apartment. 35. Apple. Noun. Meaning, the round fruit of a tree of the rose family, which typically has thin red or green skin and crisp flesh. Example, I ate an apple. 36. April. Noun. Meaning, the fourth month of the year, following March and preceding May. Example, my birthday is in April. 37. Area. Noun. Meaning, a region or part of a town, country, or the world. Example, this area is known for its parks. 38. Arm. Noun. Meaning, each of the two upper limbs of the human body from the shoulder to the hand. Example, he broke his arm. Around. Preposition, adverb, located or situated on all sides. Example, the cat is playing around the house. 39. Arrive. Verb. Meaning, reach a destination. Example, they will arrive at noon. 40. Art. Noun. Meaning, the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. Example, I enjoy going to the art museum. 41. Article. Noun. Meaning, a piece of writing included with others in a newspaper, magazine, or other publication. Example, I read an interesting article. 42. Artist. Noun. Meaning, a person who practices or performs any of the creative arts, such as a sculptor, filmmaker, actor, or dancer. Example, that artist painted the beautiful picture. 43. As. Preposition. Meaning, used to refer to the function or character that someone or something has. Example, she works as a teacher. 44. Ask. Verb. Meaning, say something in order to obtain information. Example, I need to ask you a question. At. Preposition, expressing location or arrival in a particular place or time. Example, I will meet you at the cafe. 45. August. Noun. Meaning, the 8th month of the year, following July and preceding September. Example, school starts in August. 46. Aunt. Noun. Meaning, the sister of one's father or mother or the wife of one's uncle. Example, my aunt visited us. 47. Autumn. Noun. Meaning, the season after summer and before winter, in which leaves fall from trees. Example, the leaves change color in autumn. 48. Away. Adverb. Meaning, to or at a distance from a particular place or person. Example: he went away for the weekend. Practice listening repeatedly to develop listening power day.